Hi, I'm Mr.
77 1. Yep. Hello.
71. And I just want to say that this is my cousin and she is this, but they're nosy.
I'm her cousin, and
he has a YouTube account. She doesn't.
I don't because YouTube
Hers
account
is not
sucks.
very popular.
Because YouTube account sucks. Thank you.
She thinks MySpace is better than YouTube.
Okay, I want you guys to comment on this video and subscribe to her or subscribe to me. I'm 06016550.
Shut up.
Anyways,
Hey!
leave comments saying if MySpace is better than YouTube or is YouTube better than MySpace. Do it!
MySpace.
YouTube!
Sucks. YouTube sucks. Sucks.